So the aim of the game is the person that ends with the most water with the fastest time win. That team, what they'll be doing is like the first person will be going down to the other end, giving this person the cup, then come down to the other end, come get the next person. So the last person will come down to the end, and I'll measure the cup to see which team have the most water at the end of it. Walk, fast pace, walking. So if you're warring and don't know the whole water, just the person will end up with the fastest time and the most water win. Team 2 is ready. A team 1 you're there for.
Team 2 me there for. Russian there for team 1 and me there for team 2. Russian yeah. No,
go opposite over there. So stand up over there.
I try to trick way.
What you want, Shamari, about this song?
No matter if you want to go fast, just make sure you're not bad. Chip the jump out.
That is it.
Because if you go too fast, you say.
So we time them a dispute where sister.
Yes.
All the two of them there and out here.
Yes, my referee.
Cameraman from there. So these are the cups. Water level same.
So you're gonna listen.
This is
Team
Speedboat. This is Team Speedboat. And we're gonna win this. Alright? Alright. Let's go! On your mark. Get set. Tiana, walk up the Tiana! Tiana, walk up faster! Tiana, come on, man! Tiana, walk up the top of it, Tiana!
Yes, Are you forget it?
So you give me, can him come give it.
What do you have for ask?
What do you open up clear we win? What do you
No, you can't tie rocks on the
No.
I still have to use the carries the iPad this thing. Tie that.
Team 2 win.
Team 1 win.
Team 1 win.
Team 1 win.
That's 10 points.
Team 1. No man, we just tell you can you come major up like you will think the pan. Eh?
Roxanne never tell us I'm a judge.
Yes, she's my judge.
Talk to me nice.
So we have to talk about. Just be grateful for the
next
one.
one.
A two train and cheeky.
That's what I want.
What a train.
Transfer.
Alright, so then give me a
Team 1 step on the deal with it. Team 2 ready. Money in the bank. Team 1. Bingo. Zero. Three.
1.
Jesus Christ.
Let me talk that, Kimmy.
That's what you all game, you know.
No, me just a try, because she said me never go, so me just a try.
One Kira.
Take back this. I'm going to take back this. And leave. No, leave.
No, left that.
Leave
The game done done right now.
Me next.
Take those two.
Now we can start over.
Somebody.
That's too easy. That was too easy.
We're gonna get fine.
Absorb, sponge. Absorb. Absorb. Absorb.
One, smoke up that mama. One with that mama. Put it in now. Squeeze it up, mama. Here there. Come back with that. Go now. Let's sit and watch this victory. Go on. Well, up your place. Put it in the middle, man. Put it in the middle. Watch out. In the middle. Awesome. Next. Ready. Swoop it up. Ready, come now. Yeah, put it in the middle, ready. In the middle, boo. In the middle. Ah. Ready. Watch out. Shoulders, knees, and when I say cup, that's when you grab the cup. Yes, your both hands are to touch your head and your shoulder.
Yeah, but I could have stayed so head,
It cannot be like
knees, shoulder.
So good I use me, I play with the camera, I buck you over. Knee, head, shoulder, knee, head, shoulder, knee, head. Jason, what are you doing? Why are you not ready?
Me, I wonder myself too.
Knees, shoulder. Ready? No. Back up. Ready. No,
It's why I'm going to lick up head.
ready, man. Head, shoulder, knees, head, shoulder, knees, head, shoulder, knees, cup.
Oh no! Come on! Give me that man! Forces the cup! Yo, give me that man! Go in that water. Go in that shallow part.
so. Each team has to select a leader, but once the leader selects a balloon, the leader is going to be behind them. They have to touch on the balloon that they think the leader select. If they get it wrong, the balloon will be burst on them. If they get it right, the next person can play or they can continue to play the game. Select or better yet, touch the balloon that you think is the color.
Pick
But
it
them have
up,
touch
pick
the
it
color
up, pick it
with them
up,
have.
pick it up.
Oh my God.
Stop the knife. Touch the color that you think your teammate has. Do we say red? Or you say red? Team leaders, go ahead.
Good.
Good, you big
Yeah,
shot.
girls as a real nice girl and black.
Yeah, as a real good gal. Watch out.
Let's go, leaders. Team 1 is leading. This is the last set. Alright, teammate select a balloon. Alright, team leader select a balloon.
Ready.
Team leader select a balloon.
Oh, for select no. Right.
Alright. Which color you want, team 1?
I read this.
Yes, it's red.
I read this too.
Yes.
I read that.
That is it. As I said, we do
Alright.
want so
Alright.
One up of
Pick
a
white.
pick a color.
Him say white.
40 points at 3 rasta.
What is your style?
Yeah,
What
man.
is your style?
Your
Team
stand
1 win.
Barney, yeah man. One time.
Roxanne.
Yeah man. Don't change the power. Stick to it.
We never start those Chantal. Alright guys.
Let's fuck you up with that one. Let's fuck you up with that one. You deserve one, man. Roxanne. Come on.
Thank you once again for making it another Jamaican adventure. Stay tuned for another trip. We had an amazing time today. Food, fun, adventure, everything. Thank you so much also for Spring Paradise for accommodating us for this wonderful day. Stay tuned for another Jamaican adventure trip.